We have this CSS task so far. All we've done is compiled Sass down to CSS. This is a very simple task, and we'll want to take it a step further when we get more into our production applications. A couple things we might want to do is add a vendor prefix so that when we're doing properties that require vendor prefixes across the different browsers, we don't want to have to do that every single time. We'll have Gulp just take care of that for us. One other thing we'll do is to create source maps so that when we're looking at our code in Chrome or inspecting elements and we want to view the file that was created in, we don't have to just see this bundled giant file. We can go back down to the source. The last thing we'll do on our CSS task is to minify, since we want this main.css to be as small and as bundled as possible. We'll need a few different Gulp plugins for this. In our command line, we can do npm install gulp source maps, gulp css min, gulp auto prefixer, and we'll save that. We can bring those into our application now. Auto prefixer is equal to require. We'll handle the auto prefixer first. Now that we have Sass running, we already have CSS after that. Now we can pipe it. So we're piping the result of this Sass compile down to this. We'll run CSS min, and then we'll pipe that to the auto prefixer. And that's all we have to do to minify and auto prefix all of our code. Now to handle the source maps, we have to do 2 lines. We're going to start it before everything runs, pipe sourcemaps.init, and then below everything we will pipe sourcemaps.write, and that creates the source maps for us. Run this task. Everything gets handled for us. We can go look at main.css. We have our source map and we have our minified CSS. So pretty quickly, we can build our CSS task that helps us do all of the tasks required on our Sass files.